guys, I already moisturized my face and now I'm gonna prime it, and I found an old primer. I don't know if it's expired or not. We'll just have to see if I break out. I hope it's still good. And this is the e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer. I used to use this and then I couldn't find it. Now I found it. Oh, let's see. It smells expired. Well. Oh my god, guys, I look so dark. I got so tan this couple of days. And my foundation is so light for me now. And I just realized it in the picture that my face is so white. Ooh. So guys, for foundation, I'm gonna be using the same foundation because I went to go get a foundation and there's no samples, so I couldn't like test the shades out. So I'm not gonna buy it if I don't know if it's my color or not. I don't have money to waste. I'm poor. I'm broke, bitch. I don't have money. I'm joking. But honestly, I don't have money to spend on a foundation right now that I'm not even gonna use, or I'm not even sure that it will match me, or I'm gonna make use out of it. So yeah, I'm gonna try to make the same one work for now until they bring out the samples again so I can test them. Not the samples, what the fuck is wrong with me? The testers, Jesus. It's not samples, the testers. Yes, so I'm waiting for them to bring out the testers. So you guys like when I talk in the video more, so I'm gonna be doing mostly these kinds of videos now because you guys seem to like it and you guys get to see how stupid I am. So yeah, and honestly I don't care. I'm just gonna dab it everywhere. Do I have a foundation brush? Honestly guys, I don't want to get up and wet my beauty blender, so I'm just looking for a brush. I need a brush. Oh, just what the fudge is this? Is this a foundation brush? Yeah, it is. So I'm just gonna blend it in. Now I'm gonna set my foundation, and I'm using the Fit Me Press Powder, of course, in the shade 330. And I'm taking this big brush that the cats and the dog chewed. Like, what the fuck? Like, if you guys have pets, do this. Like, this is unacceptable. Like, look at this brush. And that's not the only one. Like, I have a few more. Yeah, guys, I have a few more. They have bites on them. Like, this is so embarrassing. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get glitter and I'm gonna put glitter all around here so it'll be like a blinged out brush. But actually it's a cat bite brush. Like, what the fuck is this? Like, yes. So that's what I'm gonna do. So this is like blame the cats. Like, they damaged my brush. So yes guys, so I added more powder because usually I don't add so much because this powder is darker. So I usually add this to my foundation so my foundation would match my skin, but I added like a few more layers of this just to make it look a little bit darker, and I think it does look, just to make it look a little bit darker, and I think it kind of worked because I don't see it light, maybe because of my lighting. Let me check. I don't see it. It matches. And for my brows, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills. They brown in the shade dark brown. So yeah guys, I'll be back. So guys, I'm back and I'm gonna just conceal and shape the brows using this e.l.f. HD concealer. Just gonna take the same brush and just blend that concealer out. And honestly, I don't like brushes for foundation and concealer, but I think because I'm lazy today that I actually like how the brush looks. Because I'm not getting up. I'm not gonna get up from here until I finish this video. Even if I have to pee, I'm not gonna get up. Like, I'm so tired. Like, whatever I have here has to work. I'm not getting up. I am not lazy, people. I'm not lazy. I'm just a little bit lazy. Like, I'm just, you know, sometimes you don't even want to go get up and pee if you have to pee. So that's how I feel right now. I don't even want to get up. It's like... that is disrespectful. So yes guys, I did half of the video and I forgot to turn on the lights. Guys, I think I'm getting sick. Can you hear my voice changing? I don't know if I'm getting corona. Yes, I'm getting sick, yo. Yes, I'm just gonna stick those babies right there. Show you how I did this eye. So I went in the Narvina Volume 3 palette and I took the shade B2, this purple shade, and I added right here. And I'm just gonna build that color up a little bit. Just like that. So guys, and then I'm gonna go in the palette and I'm gonna take the shade called B3, pink shade. So I'm just gonna go above the color I added. There. So I'm just taking this fluffy brush and I'm just gonna blend those two, make it look nice. So guys, let me show you a trick. Well, a lot of people know this trick, but if you don't know it, I'll just show you. Take some concealer and add it on my lids. And I'm just gonna open my eyes like really wide. Yep, so when I open my eyes, guys, the color goes right where the crease is. And for me, I have hooded eyes. If you have hooded eyes too, what you need to do is you need to go, that line that's just there, go up a little bit. Just go up. Just go up that line a little bit. Because, so guys, if I didn't go up, how I open my eyes here and you could see this line right here, you won't be able to see that. So that's because I have hooded eyes and it goes all the way, you know, in there. So you just go up a little bit from that line and it will look better. But if you don't want to do that, well, that's up to you too. That's okay. But that's what I do. I think it makes the look. I like when I open my eyes, people could see my eyes and see the work that I did, because I did all that hard work. I want to show it off when the people see how nice my eyes look. So yeah. This color. So guys, I'm just wiping off the concealer from that brush and I'm just gonna go back in and I'm taking the shade called C1 and I'm just gonna apply it right on top of that concealer I just added. So guys, I'm gonna take regular white eyeliner, and I'm using this one from, I don't even know where it's from. It's from Hard Candy, but honestly guys, I don't really like it. I honestly wanted the NYX white eyeliner, but there's none. I can't find it anywhere. So, and this was the only thing that was available, and I'm just gonna create a winged eyeliner. But guys, I'm gonna go over this again and make it more thick. I don't like how it looks, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create and I'm gonna take that same pink shade and then I'm gonna apply it on the liner. And you know what guys, I don't really like how the purple looks, but I'm gonna cover the entire liner with pink, and I'm gonna fix this one and I'll be back. So guys, I did my concealer and my contour, so now I'm just gonna add some blush. I'm not gonna add too much. This blush, add some blush. So guys, for my under eyes, I'm not gonna be adding any shadow. So I'm just gonna take this purple mascara and apply it on my bottom lashes. So guys, I applied my lashes off camera, and I'm just highlighting using this gold highlighter. So guys, for my lips, I'm gonna make it really simple and add this clear lip gloss from e.l.f. Guys, this is it for this video. If you guys like this video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And make sure when you subscribe to the channel, you hit the post notification right next to the subscribe button, so you'll be notified when I post new videos. And make sure you guys stay tuned, because new videos will be posted very soon. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.